What's up, gang? I ain't mean to start my day this late, but y'all can see the title. I'm on my way to pick up a hood for the Durango, which I think I got. Viper or the Demon one.
Busting on the kid.
Look what?
This one.
Regular carbon fiber. This one is regular carbon, Viper Stone for the Durango. Pressure fix, Forge. This one's regular carbon for the Chrysler.
This shit about to hit your car.
That's how this joint look.
Yeah, man. So this is carbon fiber.
Shut up, bro.
That's not even me. I ain't gonna be like, that's not even me.
Oh my god, Ryan, I can't wait for that. That's how I be.
Come on, right?
What's up, gang? I'm gonna show y'all why OEM is always better than replica. Look at this. Check this out too. Flare flew off. They didn't even cut the fender, so just know. Don't get reps. As far as this look good, but glue, no bueno. Look at the diffuser. OEM better than rep. Well, here's the answer. It's about 10:26 in the morning. I'm gonna show you how quickly it takes us to do a widebody kit. This is what an OEM Fender look like. Some of y'all never seen it. Let me turn this up real quick. It has a pre-made cut already. Like that, finally put on.
I just left the spot cooking a half bird, this chicken little. I keep scoring all these touchdowns for the team, I'm George Kittle. I just met this bitch today and she already try to eat my pickle. Try to run from this bitch, but you can't cause it hit like a missile. Fuck a double-double, I'm 6 figures up, I drop triple. I used to spin out like a Beyblade, niggas don't post on they strip. On God, the sun was still out, first time I ever spit. All that cabin in your rants about money, can't even pay your rent.
Finishing the wide body. I'm not good over here. Finishing the 300 wrap. Only got one side done. It's been way too cold. It's coming along though. Don't worry about it, bro.
Dude. Wait till you see the whole. No.
Yo, twin. Half off. Yeah.
Boy, if you don't get
with the glasses, Lulu. Big roll with a nice switch. How you get your day started, nigga, like this? I heard a torture got killed, tryna swap blicks. Y'all niggas pop, don't get no cheese, y'all just pop shit. How you call yourself hop out if you ain't pop shit? False.
Pretty good.
Just smoky butt.
I think it's just smoky, but yeah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
I think that's the smoke coming from the fender inside.
Yeah.
That's just scary.
We got the wide body doors put on. Green doors got these holes. So get the flare on. It's kind of rude. And then the screw holes. Just keep holding right up. What do you think, bro? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Quarter panel. This is the door. See these little holes right here? All these little brackets. That's right into the door. I'm kind of busy, sir. Back to what I was saying. They line right up. And it just snap right in. Back together. They're not going nowhere. Saucer coming on. Which one? Can you help me? What? What is on back for? Good job.
Install all of this in the garage.